Hello everyone, welcome back to the General Mastery 12. Today we're going to talk about the Pearson correlation coefficient. So what we do is we're going to describing the correlation on the scatter plots. Here is some examples for what's your R values equals. So remember, the R always start from -1 less than equal to your R less than equal to 1. So this is the range in between. So first thing first, so r equal to 1 is like a straight positive direction with a linear relation looks like. And -1 will be the negative linear. And then 0 will be no relationship looks like. There's no linear or non-linear we can say. And 0.7 you can see the difference between, and which is like a pretty like the values looks like a little bit wider, and 0.5 that will be more wider than the 0.7. So but this is a negative, you can say this is the whole negative things. 0.9 that will be narrowed, so which is pretty understandable hopefully. um so that's 0.8, 0.3, negative 0.2 looks like. So once we know the diagrams, we say it's from 1 to -1. If you have a 1 and -1, that means you are perfect linear association between the variables. Just be aware of these things. So I want you to just make sure highlight into your bound reference. Another thing I want you guys to make sure is copy this whole graph into your bound reference. This is how you find how to analyzing your data sets. And diagram goes through the strengths and the correlation based on the values of R. So we can start with something called uh, estimate of the Parsons product, the correlation coefficient. So the first one for me that looks like a pretty strong positive linear relations. Mm, so I will give this one as maybe um, for A will be approximately equal to 0.9. Um, the relationships can be described the strong. So we say for question 2 will be strong positive and a linear relationship. And for B will be first question that looks like a negative, so R equal to approximately equal to 0. I would say 65, negative 0.65. So if you see 65, you can say it's from moderate. So we say the relationship can be described moderate and negative. Linear relation. Yep. C will be around like maybe negative as well. So approximately equal to negative 0.1 if I say. Yeah. And that will be no linear relationship. Yep. So hopefully that makes sense for you guys. What we're using a sample means approximately equal to, so which is basically approximately equal to, rather than just exactly equal to. So because I'm just doing by the randomly guessing, so you have to use the cast to calculate your correlation coefficient. I will show you how to do it. Um, but from now on, hopefully that all makes sense. And I see you guys in the last part, which is where we talk about how to calculate correlation coefficient. And I'll see you guys next time.